Good afternoon everyone, it's Sarah here and welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for being here. If you'd like to subscribe, I'd love to have you. I did have a little check the other day and I am 1 subscriber away from being at 3,700 subscribers and I can't believe that. It's so good that so many of you tune in and watch my videos, so I thought I'll do a little video today that's not a short on the animals and things and the horse and the dogs and what have you, and I would make something. Now, I didn't know what I was going to make, but I bought myself a book the other day and it arrived in the mail and I don't have a bookmark. So this is the book that I bought. It's not you, it's your energy. How your energy is creating chaos in your life. Now, I've got enough chaos in my life as it is, so I thought I'll buy that book and we'll see how it goes. But I need a bookmark because I'm not going to read it all in one go. So, with that said, I thought, pull out your scraps, Sarah, see what you've got and make your own bookmark, and then I can start reading my book. So I pulled out a whole load of scraps, just out my scrap bag. I keep a scrap bag, a plastic bag, Ziploc bag, and I always keep all my little bits. So this is what I've used, is all these wee bits to create my bookmark. I'm going to put those to the side because what I've done is I've got my bookmark here, and this is 8.5 inches by 2. And what I did was, I've already cut little strips out, ready to go, and start laying things down. So hopefully I've cut out enough bits. I think the biggest piece is about 3/4 inch. That's as big as I got. So I'm just going to use this dot liner permanent adhesive tape. Rather than wet glue. And just start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. So, maybe seems a wee bit wasteful, but I'm just going to start popping them down. This is actually going to come together in no time at all. I like quick projects. And as I say, these are all just scraps from when I've been making things. I hope you're all well and you're all doing okay. It's been maybe a week or so since I've been on with a video, well, a crafty video. I've just not been feeling 100%. And when you're not feeling 100%, your mojo's not there. But I decided to give myself a wee shake this morning, and come in and create something. I actually thought I'd pulled more pink than I think I've got a decent amount of different papers and cardstocks here. No, not that one. we finish off with a pink one at the top? Here, let's do that. Okay, so that actually came together really, really quickly. So all I'm going to do is turn it over and just chop up the side and cut off the excess. And back down the other side. There we go. So we'll just get rid of all this bit to the side. So I've got my corner rounder here, so I'm going to round the corners. Oh, this isn't going to round, is it? Oh, goodness me. So that's rounded the bottom. I think I'll round the top as well, although I might struggle getting through that 2 layers of cardstock. Wait till I get my... Oops. I got my crocodile in that. So, that's my bookmark. I've got a tiny wee bit of adhesive on that silver bit. Hang on a wee minute. There we go. So what I want to do is put a hole in the top. And then I've already gone ahead and pulled, I think I got these off Amazon, they're just coloured eyelets. Pop that through and just seal that. Here we go. And the last thing to finish it off is, remember in a haul a few months ago I picked up these, it's called crochet yarn or macrame yarn or something like that, but I thought it would be nice for a tag. But I thought, I'll just use a bit of this on my book tag. Book tag? Bookmark. And just tie a wee knot on the top. So there you have it. A super quick and easy craft in under 10 minutes. I mean, you could go faster if you wanted, but I just took my time. And then you can put that in your book. You can add a wee charm to that if you want, but if you just want to keep it like that, then that's fine. So that's me, got my wee bookmark made out using scraps, and I quite like that actually. So thank you for watching. I know it's just a wee quick assembly video, but it's getting me crafting, it's making me do things, and that's got to be a good thing, right? So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I love interacting with all my followers and fellow crafters, and I'll see you next time for another video. Thanks for watching and have a great week.